Not bad.
Hey, what's up guys? Hello. This is Kavi and आज मैं किसके साथ हूँ? This is Ravi.
Hi guys.
So the thing is last week मेरी और रवि की कुछ कन्वर्सेशन हुई थी about तीखा कौन ज़्यादा खा सकता है. So finally हमने डिसाइड किया कि चलो let's take a challenge on who can eat more spicy. Just because कि ये साउथ से है तो ये हमेशा बोलते रहता है कि मैं साउथ से हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा खा सकता हूँ और तू तो मुंबई से तीखा तो कभी खा नहीं सकती. So ये मिसकंसेप्शन है बेसिकली उसका. लेकिन मुझे ये प्रूव करना है कि मैं ज़्यादा तीखा खा सकती हूँ.
You will lose the challenge.
I won't lose. And guess what? Where are we? And we are here. So, हम बफेलो वाइल्ड विंग्स आए हैं और ये चैलेंज ले रहे हैं with the world hottest chicken wings. So let's try who can eat more wings but without water. पानी नहीं पीना ज़्यादा. Okay?
Are you seriously ready for this?
Yes, I am 200% sure.
Okay.
But are you ready?
I'm born ready.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Bas, let's see. So milte hain, bye. So we are ready and we have 4 flavors of chicken wings. Okay.
4 levels.
So ये level wise जाएगा ऊपर. So first flavor which we have is Parmesan garlic, जो कि mild में आएगा. Okay. This is Parmesan garlic. Medium level पे आता है Chipotle barbecue.
Hot पे आता है Thai curry.
Thai curry. He's
We actually ordered extra wet.
Yeah.
Spicy day. And finally we have the blazing hot, which is
super hot.
super hot.
So like मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को ये challenges लेते हुए भी देखा है.
So instead of just eating, so we thought let's play a game. So हमारे पास this 4 हमारे पास 4 चीटी है. So we will shuffle this and whoever gets so they have to eat and let's see.
जो भी चिट्टी आएगी उसको वो खाना पड़ेगा. अगर सपोज किसी ने ब्लेजिंग वाला फर्स्ट खा लिया तो उसको तो बाकी कुछ खाना ही नहीं होगा. So मैं तो पूरी तैयारी करके बैठी हूँ. I have milk.
But you should not drink that.
And मेरे पास पानी भी है. सारा कुछ अवेलेबल रखा है. Okay, so let's open. मैंने देखा नहीं.
I'm not cheating. I'm just so.
Okay. I'm gonna take this.
Wait. I'm gonna take this.
Medium.
Okay.
Shit, मुझे माइक
You
चाहिए
got
था.
saved. I got mine.
Shit.
So I'm starting with level 1, so I'm in the right
We
track.
are basically starving right now. और बस टूट पड़ना है अभी खाने पे. So let's try this.
No.
Cheers.
This is super yummy. Parmesan garlic is one of my favorite. Other than Thai curry.
ये लकी है तो पहले ही फर्स्ट अच्छा वाला मिल गया.
Hopefully next round.
मैं तो डर रही थी तो मुझे ब्लेजिंग में आ जाए नहीं तो मैं तो कुछ खा ही नहीं पाऊंगी.
So let me shuffle. अभी तो इस बार तो तुझे ब्लेजिंग आने वाला ही है. I'm waiting for that.
Choose like this मेरे हाथ में से.
No.
कोई भी नहीं देखना नहीं.
Okay, take. Okay, this. Okay, it's hot.
No.
Blazing. So अब भी आएगा मजा.
I want more ranch in that. Give me.
No cheating. Okay. Guys, see this face before and after.
जो और डरा रहे. Cheers. I'll take with ranch. स्टार्टिंग में ठीक था, but
Okay.
I'm getting
No ranch.
I'm feeling. Shut up.
तेरे आंखों में पानी आ रहा है.
I'm fine. I can eat this. सुबह मेरी बैंड बजने वाली है.
Okay, we are going for third round. So कैसे है तेरा हालत? अभी एक बार अगर और एक बार ब्लेजिंग आ गया ना तुझे, then you are done.
Mild.
You saved. Please. Oh.
Now you will see.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Let's go.
You didn't allow me to add ranch. अगर एक और बार ranch ऐड किया ना, I'm gonna ask you to eat one more.
So guys, we thought to take, each one of this blazing one and let's finish it. अभी से हालत बहुत बुरी है.
नहीं, I'm fine.
So, which one you want?
I'll take this one.
Okay. I'm taking this one.
No, I'll take this one.
Okay.
Amma.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
If you want, if you say yeah, I can't, then
No, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, your wish. That's only your wish.
Eat fast.
If you can't, then drink. Wanna take this?
Ah!
Wanna take this?
Oh.
You are not allowed to drink. Okay, fine, drink. But I'm going to have this to prove you. Okay?
No.
Drink. Yes. So, we can eat more spicy. So, for all South Indians.
Oh,
I'm eating one more.
shit, no, I can't.
Water ले ले. So guys, this is it. Do not try at home. So have you ever tried, any hot, and if you want us to try anything, comment down below and let us know so that we will try that also.
It's too good, bud.
So please don't forget to subscribe.
Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and comment.
You need this.